16-year-old Ivanka Trump is in high gear.
So it's a shock. You stumble upon yourself and you're like, oh.
And she invited Inside Edition behind the scenes at Fashion Week to see what it's like at the Katsumi and Malcolm fashion show. But first, we asked about the recent report that said Ivanka was demanding supermodel wages of $10,000 to do the fashion shows, a report she denies.
I don't need to model. My family has money and they can support me, but I model because I love to model, and it's something that I enjoy doing. So I don't think it's fair that they made me sound greedy about it and all, because I model because I love to model, and that's really all there is to it.
First stop, makeup. From there, it was time for a funky do, where her hairstylist was hitting on her dad's fortune rather than her.
Can you ask your dad if he's got $500,000 even than me?
Next up, we got a sneak peek at the clothes she'd be wearing.
This is my last outfit, which is absolutely gorgeous.
And all that was left was showtime. So how did it go?
I think it went well.